Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport featured in argent silver metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, power sunroof, and enhanced auto parking assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, power of the windows and mirrors, as well as our liftgate controls. Onto the seats, we have the power seating and lumbar down to the bottom left, and we can hop inside. To the left, we have our power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and to the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn the vehicle on and take a look at the infotainment system. Checking out the audio first, here comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here is the navigation. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, we have our backup camera and the surround vision. Just below that, we have our climate control with heated and ventilated front seats for both driver and passenger, some storage, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. We have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. Up top, we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, the universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some XT6 and Cadillac badging. Also, you can see it is all-wheel drive. You can double click on the key fob to pop up the liftgate here, or you can just swipe your foot under the Cadillac light, and it's the hands-free option. We have a good amount of storage space back here. Just to the right, you'll notice some power controls. Those are to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra storage space back here if needed. We also have some hidden storage down below as well. Pretty spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button up there, which is going to close up for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats here, we have the manual seating adjustments just to the right, or to the bottom left, and the third row of seats back there as well. Hopping inside, we have magazine holders at the back of each seat, rear climate control, 2 USBs with a light, and all the way down to the bottom here, pull-out cup holders with some extra storage. Up top you have handles paired with a dome light and a vent matched on the other side, and in the third row of seating here we have vents on the roof with a dome light. We also have cup holders with a USB-C matched on either side. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.